Hello students, we will talk about Common Management Admission Test February 2012 analysis in this video. We will begin with CMAT 2012 overview. First Common Management Admission Test was conducted by AICTE between 20th February to 28th February 2012. AICTE has scheduled the second CMAT from 27 September to 1st October 2012. It is very important to know the previous examination pattern before starting the preparation. Experts bring the analysis of CMAT 2012 conducted in the month of February. Let's see the overall analysis of February 2012 CMAT. There were 100 questions in total in February 2012 CMAT. Test duration was 180 minutes and there were 4 sections in the examination. There were 25 questions in each section. Name of the sections was first, quantitative techniques and data interpretation, logical reasoning, language comprehension, and general awareness. Let us start with quantitative techniques and data interpretation. There were 25 questions evenly distributed among arithmetic, geometry, data interpretation, and number system. Arithmetic had questions on percentages, profit and loss, simple and compound interest, speed, time and distance, time and work, averages, complex numbers, and other concepts of mathematics. There were a few questions based on mensuration and geometrical concepts and were of the kind which are regularly asked in many entrance examinations. There were 4 questions on the concept of number system which were easy in terms of difficulty level. Data interpretation section had questions based on tables and graphs and required direct mathematical calculations. Now we will talk about logical reasoning. Like every other subject, logical reasoning has its own vocabulary. CMAT had typical reasoning ability questions based on assertion and reason, statements and assumptions, strong and weak arguments, inference based questions, and cause and effect. It also had a few questions on visual reasoning and syllogism. Now we will see what was there in language comprehension. English language can be cracked and improved only with continuous learning. CMAT had 25 questions on language comprehension. Unlike CAT, reading comprehension passages in CMAT were shorter, which saved a lot of time for the aspirants. Students were required to answer typical vocabulary and English grammar based problems. There were questions on idioms, sentence correction and completion, fill in the blanks, and other common structures of CAT examination. Now we will see what came in general awareness. General awareness section had questions from nearly all the fields. It included arts, science, management, politics, national and international, and it was easy for candidates who were updated. Students constantly need to brush up current affairs to score well in this section. Now we will summarize what we have seen in this video. The overall difficulty level of the first CMAT entrance exam was lower than CAT. There were 4 sections with 100 questions with very little surprises in terms of the type of questions asked. Each section had 25 questions in it. Test duration was 3 hours in total. CMAT is expected to follow the same format in September 2012 also.